I think the other day when I played Survivor for like 4 or 5 hours, I think like 80% of my games I was getting stream sniped, like 85%. I don't know, something like that. It's pretty high. So, but on this game, you actually don't really get sniped that much, which is kind of surprising because like there's not that many people streaming. So it's like pretty easy to find people to stream snipe. Go, go, go. Okay, they don't have a Leatherface. Oh, nice, they don't have a Leatherface. They have a hands though? It's kind of weird. If we get outside, it's pretty good. The Hitchhiker could chase, but they don't really have that good a chase. Go, fart lady, go. Unleash the fart. Unleash the fart. Can't use my ability yet. Oh, they already jumped out the front door. Oh, Hitchhiker just ran past me. Okay, I'm gonna go out the back. Oops. Oh shit, there's a trap there. Oops. I'm stupid. I'm sorry. Oh, he's got weak traps though. He needs to be a chasing. Oh wow, this is really difficult. Oof, I am hurting. Well, that was a misplay. Ouchie, ouchie. Maybe I should just be going outside with them. Wonder where his other traps are then. Did he not trap the front window? Or the stairs? Oh, I could just do fuse. Wait, what the heck? We need to find a fuse though. There's no fuse in here, so we gotta go back downstairs for the fuse. Actually, shouldn't even. Oh, they got the battery off too? What the hell? Cook's over there. Shoot, I don't have my voice chat. I don't know if we have this door open though down here. It's 8, 8, 2, 3. Boom, baby. I don't know if we have this door open down here though. Yeah, this is why you trap the stairs. Is this door open? I don't know what doors are open. Oh, he actually shut this too. I don't even know if I have time to make this. Cook might be able to turn it off. Stop lagging, that would be great too. There's a hitchhiker down here. That's weird. Hitchhiker in the basement. Wow, I actually turned my voice comms back on. Did I just juke him? Wait. Okay, I need to make sure that these doors are unlocked. Yeah, this door is not unlocked. I don't think the hands is in battery. I think we could do basement again. Hands is on battery, right? Because Hitchhiker was just in the basement a second ago. They're watching the fuse now. Yeah, it looks like one of them is camping fuse. I think it's Cook. Yeah, Cook is camping fuse. Is battery open again? No. Wait, why are they camping fuse when the front door is wide open? What? Look how strong I am. Oh shit, he put a trap on me. That's not good. What if I just hit the trap? I can actually just go into it, right? I could just tank it. Oh, I think someone's coming up here. Yeah, he is. It's the cook. Okay, well, we could just go. Well, actually, I think the hands is on. Okay, I need to get a bones grab. Is there a bones grab up here? Bone pile up here? Hitchhiker put a trap on the fuse. I need a pressure valve, actually. Wait, where is the pressure valve, actually? Yeah, Cook's camping it. Hitchhiker's out front, I think. Oh, Hands is right there, actually. Where the hell? Pressure valve on the side of the house? Break here? And Grandpa's over here, right? Lol. This Cook is gonna have to keep going between these. Where's the hitchhiker at? That's the question. This is chaos. This is funny. Oh, he's going back to pressure valve. It's actually kind of funny. Oh, shit's coming back up. Yeah, because he has to keep patrolling them now, right? Like so. Oh no, I'm lagging. Yeah, chase me. Yeah. GG. Dude, pressure valve, pressure, odd family house, let's go. Yeah, the hands just sitting in the back is like pretty bad. Let's go check. Yeah, I was like, one of them has to be sitting on battery, so. And if Hands isn't watching, like, the fuse box, then that's just GG right there, my boy. He did have a trap, though, so it's kind of annoying, but... That's a GG, my boy. Bled out. Connie bled out. Nice, dude. So wait, they haven't even got a kill yet because Connie bled out. Classic, dude. Classic. Nice, bro. Dude, the family experience is really good, dude. The family gaming experience. The TCM family experience is good, bro. Hell yeah, dude. Will Johnny rush the basement? No family house, my bad. Yeah, this is fam house, bro. Dude, Johnny rushing the basement is the best. What do you mean, bro? That's the best. Can we do one more? Can we do one more? Wish there was a way to fix this to not lag. Like, I really want to play TCM, but it's just like, I can't play with this lag for 8 hours. There's no way. There's no way I'm doing that. You think this Virginia's getting out, bro? I don't think she's getting out. Because the hands is just going to rip stall this. I wonder how long this takes. Probably going to take a while, right? Virginia doesn't have a lot of strength, right? Dude, there's no way. Like, hands can literally just run out here and get it. He might be guarding Fuse, though, so she might get lucky. She has pretty good endurance. Dude, the cook and hitchhiker are chasing her. Oh my god, there's hands. Oh yeah, she's so dead. Oh, she blinded. Fun game, by the way. Oh shit. Dude, why is Hands so fast? Doesn't he not have scout? Oh shit, oh shit. Oh yeah, she's not making this, ain't no way. She has a lot of endurance though. Wait, why did the Hands not rip stall? Wait, what the hell? Wait, why did dude, they didn't get a single kill on Family House with Hitchhiker, Cook, and GG. Damn, Miss Rose wasn't who she said she was. Let's see, who am I next to? Is this Julie? Yeah, I think I'm next to Julie. Oh no, it's like Connie. Oh, we're on Mill too, nice. Where's the other toolboxes? Should be one in there and then one over here, right? Oh, yeah, is it Leatherface? I do have Leatherface. I think this might be a baby Leatherface, though. Okay, I think Frog went this way. Hey, or no, he didn't go this way. Okay, we can go this way with Wyatt. Can't use my ability yet. This might be a baby Cook. Shit, someone's getting smacked. Wow, this is gonna take forever. What in the heck? Dude, someone's getting smacked by this Cook. Just got hit like 3 or 4 times. Dude, this is ridiculous. Hello? I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Ah, shit. Alright. Crap. I got the cook lock off left gen. Or left battery, I mean. Where'd this cook go? What you doing, bro? What you doing, bro? Right. Where's Grandpa? Is that the cook again? He can't. He's trying to move his lock onto it, I think. Okay, I think that these guys are new. Oh, can I stab him in the back? Ooh, backstab! Yeah. Oh, Hans is over here too. Hans and Cook are on battery side. Well, Hans is like in the middle. Ah, shit. Ah, shit. Cook is coming to battery. Dance, dance, revolution. Oh shoot, the gates, the door. I didn't know that the gate was locked. Oh, that's funny. Oh, dude, he put a padlock on there? Ain't no way, bro. Okay, Cook, I see you, bro. I see you. Cook is gaming, bro. He's gaming. Oh, shoot, I'm lagging. No! Oh, dude, please, bro, please. So Cook is still on battery. Oh, we got valve going. Nice. Wait, can't Hands just rip that? Oh shoot, battery's back on. GG. Ah, shoot. Alright, this is lagging too much. I'm gonna switch to Dead by Daylight. We need help! Help! Oh, game crash. Oh wait, this Leatherface isn't new. Wait, what the heck? I thought he was new. This is 50 proficiency, right? Is Wyatt just standing guard here, or wait, what is? Why is he? Is he trolling? Connie kicking. Oh shoot, Hands is coming over. Okay, he's turning on the trap actually. You got this, you got this. Oh. Now he's taking the trap off. I don't know how this Wyatt's getting out, but GG. Alright, it's time to switch